friends, welcome to Feasty Fusion again. So today's session is about mussels spicy stir fry. So it's just quick recipe and doesn't make much of effort. You just need some cooked mussels which you get to buy in a superstore or any supermarket, and you just need some red onions, cabbage, green chili and some of the spices. So I'll quickly cover how to just go about it. It doesn't take much time. So let's get started. So I'll quickly tell you how to go about it. So I'm using some sunflower oil. So I'm going to add some cumin seeds to get some flavor to the oil. So I'm going to add some red onions, some cabbage and green chili. So I'm frying these on a high flame to keep stirring, else it will catch at the bottom. So I'm allowing these things to cook. So you should not let them cook completely, but be in a stage that it's kind of 50 to 60% cooked. So here I have cooked mussels. So you get to buy this in the superstores. So which is edible, you can directly heat and have it. But we're just trying to make a stir fry of it and give it a flavor before you have it. So I'm gonna pop them into this. So now I'm gonna add some spices to it to ensure it's getting some good enough spice. So we've got some red chili powder, turmeric, some crushed black pepper, salt and some garlic granules. So I'm gonna add all of these into it. Stir it well. So I'll just try to put the lid and let it cook on some steam. So I've got some green salad, cucumber, onion and some lime. So I'm gonna serve the stir fry along with this. So our stir fry is all set. Thank you for watching, friends. Please do subscribe, and if you like the video, please do comment and share it with your friends.